Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. We have completed with the first set of 20 words in our Focus 4th series. Now we move on to the next set of 20 words and the first word is feel. F-E-E-L, feel. Feel good, feel better, feel well, to feel. Think happy, feel happy, and happy things will happen. Respect other people's feelings. It might mean nothing to you, but it could mean everything to them. Is it really possible to tell someone else what I feel? Maybe no, because we think too much and feel too little. Others may not understand what you feel, but you understand what you feel, and then you see what are your feelings, what type of feelings you have, whether the feelings are good or bad. If it is bad, then give a stop to those bad feelings and come towards the good. You have nothing to feel bad about it. Please feel free to give your suggestions. I'm tired. Go have a shower. You will feel better after a hot shower. I don't feel like doing anything today. Then take a day off. Rest. The second word is family. My family, family members, family business. The family is the basic unit of a society. A family is the smallest unit of a society. What a lovely family. Please send my regards to your family. Tell me about yourself and your family. Yeah, sure. Do you often eat dinner with your family? How many people are there in your family? We are 4 of us. I'm the breadwinner in the family. The third word is fire, F-I-R-E, fire. Fire engine, campfire, fire up, wildfire, fire drill, fire extinguisher. A fire broke out near the bank. We called up the fire department. Fire engines came and they extinguished the fire. We had a fire drill at school today. Later on, our class visited the fire station. Campfires are allowed in campsites. Campers normally cook on open fire. Being careful can prevent forest fires. They fired directly at the enemy. Timmy was suddenly fired from his job. Fired from his job means asked to leave. The fourth word is farm, F-A-R-M, farm. My farm, their farm, farmland, farm worker, farm animals, fish farm, wind farm. An average farmer in this area farms 10 acres of farmland. Farmers can also farm fish, animals, or poultry. Ken's uncle has a big chicken farm. The apples look so fresh. Yes, we bought the apples from a local farm. This company farms energy from wind, water, and sun. Sun is solar energy. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next lesson. Till then, please listen, repeat the sentences, and practice, practice, practice. Meet you again. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care, and be happy always. Thank you for being my inspiration.